Hey, what's up, my Harmony millionaire brother? So what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for a Harmony holder because and after this video, I hope if you watch this 2 minute video, they make you millionaire. Absolutely, they make you millionaire. So don't miss any second of this video because this video is going to be very special for Harmony holder. Absolutely, to what's going on in upcoming days, Harmony going up or Harmony going down. This chart as Max specially the crypto expert absolutely, and I explain in this video to what's going. This is the latest price. You can see here, this is the chart of April. You can see here absolutely at the April what's going on. Okay, my friend, and also in the May, this is very important. If you see just this video, then I hope you cannot need any more videos. So guys, please like this video. Please, if you also need this type more informative videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates of all cryptocurrencies. Okay guys, come to the point. First of all, if you can see here at the start of, let's start on the March. The March, if you can see here the X1, you can see here X1 as the highest point of this point. You can see here this is the false jump or false circulation. You can see here X1 goes to again falls down into Z. You can see here this time, and they again go on to, you can see here the I absolutely going on one. This is the first point. You can see here at the second month and the March. And this time you can see here this is circulation. If you understand, this is original circulation and very good circulation. After pulse they take absolutely jump, and after jump they absolutely take a very high dump, absolutely going down. You can see here one, you can see here one as the highest point, and they falls down into two. You can see here this is the second one. Okay, let's come out to the third jump. This time, if you can see here, the third jump is here. Absolutely, this is circulation of falls and dump, falls and jump. Absolutely. This time, if you can see here, the fourth falls is here, and they take again jump. My goodness. This time, the fifth jump is here, and this is the last. You can see here, and after this, they falls down, my friends, very badly. You can see here, they falls down very badly from here. Okay, if you can see here, the W, you can see here, this is the last 2 or 3 days. I think yes, this is the last 3 days circulation. You can see here, this time they're going to W. The resistance line is here. Remember, the resistance line is here. You can see here the blue color as the resistance line. If you can see here, this is the resistance point of this chart. You can see here, so the resistance point is here, my friend. They come down again. This is the circulation. You can see here jump, falls down. Sometimes they're going up, sometimes they're down. You can see here this is circulation, and the point, like you can see here like this. You can see here at the graph result like this. You can see here absolutely they're gone like this. At this circle, if they're gone, my brother, our target is very high. Our target is very high. You can see here the circulation. Oh my goodness, the circulation is come forward. You can see here this time. You can see here after this fell, they take a high jump. I hope they take a high jump, my brother. And after that jump, they again falls down very slowly, but they take again very high jump. So this circulation, if continuously, then I hope they make you millionaire Harmony holder. This chart, please, is very important. You can see here at this chart, make a 3-year expert crypto holder. Absolutely. So my brother, this time, if you can see here, the highest chance occur into 200.00%. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They gone to 200. We are going in the moon, my brother. Oh my goodness, the change occur and very highly, and we are found this time 5,600 US dollar. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that. If they gone there, absolutely they make you millionaire, my brother. So hope you understand. My prediction is very good. My prediction is that today gonna have in upcoming days, and exactly they starting moving up. You can see here at the point they starting moving up. So my friends, please wait for a good time to sell it. Please don't sell it in those days. Absolutely, if you sell it in those days, you are in the loss. Exactly, you are in the loss, and they cannot give you a good profit. So my friends, please wait for the end of this month, or cannot sell it at the end of month also. Please, if you are wait for 2025, then exactly they make you millionaire. Therefore, I have no choice to I sell it. Exactly, I have also sell it in 2025. So what's your opinion? Today going up in upcoming days? Please tell me. To this is selling time, buying time, holding time. Please tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and this type informative videos.